Alright, we're running fast up around here. I'm going there. Anyway. This bit of fall cleanup slash windstorm aftermath. Look at this thing. This big ass branch that came off the tree. That fell off in the storm. Freaking huge. And then James also all these twigs, which I don't know why they're in here. I'm gonna put them in the tote. They're gonna frickin' destroy my bags. This probably won't be a final fall cleanup. The tree in the back still got a lot of leaves, but definitely one of the last cleanups. I gotta dump the apples. And there's a shit ton more to it that I still have to pick up. Apples. Yeah, this tree definitely needs to be cut down next year. I hate to say it, but it does. I'm not trimming any of the dead off because the whole back's dead. Tree's gonna be top heavy. Nope. So. Yeah, 2 days of rain and wind. High winds too, so. Just gonna rake it all up with the leaves and throw them out. I don't know, I guess it doesn't look that big on camera, but it's huge in real life. See, there's a leaf in here, well, hopefully that's a spring. I don't know what the hell happened to my ferns. Finally, somebody stopped. I haven't seen nobody stop to the open house. Yeah, we got another out for sale. All sorts of things in here. I'm gonna have to clean these out. I'm gonna get rid of this crap. And this crap, a little bit of that. Leave the rest of it. That hanging plant we can throw out. And get rid of that finally. I gotta figure out what the hell we're gonna do with that. And the side's gotta get raked and pretty much that's gonna be it. Probably only one more cleanup. And where the hell did that come from?
I don't know. weird, right? Shit like just blows in.
I don't think it blew in, but whatever. And there's some leaves over here. I don't feel like getting. Yeah. Let's see what we can do with them. I'm just pretty much gonna rake all this crap up. I only filled 2 bags of leaves. I mean, half of that 1 bag was from last week. So. What?
From the brick.
It's called rat shit.
I highly doubt that's rat shit.
It's rat shit. It is too rat shit.
I had it out there, but
it's rat shit. It is rat shit. What is it then? Because it's rat shit.
Holy shit.
Alright, well, I'll get a rake and then we'll. Alright. I got what I felt like raking. This is a loose mess. It always will be. Until I do the last cut on it. I mean, I probably could rake this harder and get more clean, but I really don't care. Alright, that bag. And crap, this bag, I don't even mind. It's from the 2 neighbors. This stuff was in the street. That was just up by the fence. But these 4 bags are actually from us. I'm about to drain the water out of that. It was in the street. Yeah, look at the water. God. Kind of nasty. Oh God. Jesus Christ. That's how much water is in this. Well, this should be nice and light now. Or at least lighter. A couple of pounds in just water. Alright, I'll let that keep draining. And this is still got some room, it's not quite heavy yet. I'll keep going this big ass branch will deal with tomorrow. We'll cut it up, saw through it like here, and break all the crap up on it, get rid of it, make that like a bundle and stuff. If I have it like that, the town should take it. They should take it. They're probably gonna take it like this. I gotta break it up some, do some bundling. Just all the crap in here. Like I said, ferns are dead. I mean, I don't know what the hell happened. What the hell was up with those? I don't know, maybe because they're not in the ground. I don't know if they like it in the pot. Probably not. I'm gonna sort of clean this up. That hanging basket I'll deal with tomorrow. Yeah, oh my God, I'm taking Halloween decorations in probably tomorrow too, because it's freaking mid-November. I mean, we'll leave the scarecrows if that's Thanksgiving-ish type stuff, but otherwise, let's go in the freaking trash. Or it's gonna go in the back in the basement. Anyway, that's it for this. I'll make some videos tomorrow when we're playing with the Alright, so I'm back the next day. We're gonna, in a minute here, start chopping this up. So, kind of, cut down and bundled up, sort of, for the town. So I'm taking my ferns, I just did this. I mean, I cut them down last year and they grew back. Actually grew back quicker than our neighbors. There's some leaves up in here. I got a little bit of it. Same out front, I'm just doing a little bit of it. There's a little leaves out front already. I'm just gonna clean that up real quick. I should have grabbed the loppers. You might not, I don't know if we can use them. Some of this stuff's kind of thick, but... Hold on, let me get the loppers first. Stupid ass squirrel. Rotten apples. Might try and rake this again too. I don't know, we kind of need to just get it. Ooh.
That chop. Here. Just chop everything off.
First, let's get some of this smaller scraggly crap.
That's not cut things out.
You think it'd be easier to get the frickin' hacksaw? Or whatever the other saw is? I forget what it's called. The one we use for the sunflower plants. Whatever that's called. Of course, with this, you might be able to just cut it part of the way and then just break the rest of the way.
That's... Could try to cut halfway and break it.
Yeah. And then I'll take care of some of the end crap. But yeah, that's pretty much all we're going to be doing. Sorry you can't see what James doing. Or, drag it out. Drag it out so it'll be in the camera shot. Because they can't see what you're doing, so drag it out. What are you doing?
Check out that one?
Yeah. I don't know why you're going towards the fence. Very good. That's good. That'll work. Bring it back in the end. That's how we're gonna have this prepped. There you go. Yeah, and then some of these bigger branches too, we'll probably have to like break in half again. So this.
Really?
Yeah. Or at least break it so it's close to that. Like out in here-ish. Yeah, see, like that I could just break.
Got that sauce in the ground.
And then that'll go out, and then there'll be the little bundle, and then all the smaller twigs and stuff I'll just throw in the bag. Alright, I'm gonna stop this here so I can show you how we're gonna form. Alright, so pretty much just gonna be trash. The trash this week. 2, 4, 6 bags, and then I should get this into a bundle, and then that's all on its own. Still crap everywhere. Yeah, so that bag, and then a handful of twigs from the big branch. Pumpkins for the compost. Other than that, that's it for this next weekend. Final cleanup. Final cut, final cleanup, final everything. Pretty much the end. It'll be everything, so stick around for that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.